Today we are going to be painting this mouse fella. I'm not quite sure his name, but he's pretty cute. We start off with this color here. I think it looks like a teal. My wife says it's aqua. I don't know. Maybe you guys can help us out and determine what color that really is. I don't know. I start off with using black here. That is our number 2 in gel, and I have my own separate brush, and I just kind of go in and do the outlines of this mouse. So it's really nice just to use a point of my brush here, placing everything where I think they belong, and I can always come back and fix things later. And this one in particular has a Santa Claus hat on, so I'm putting those in as well. I think it looks kind of like a little beanie, I don't know. And the whole purpose of having a beanie or a Santa Claus hat is to keep your ears warm, and this mouse kind of defeats the whole purpose of having a hat. His ears are sticking outside of the hat, but without the ears, I don't know if you'd be able to tell who this was. So anyways, I fill in things with black here, and then I can go in with my nude color just for his skin tone, and I pick a pretty neutral color to start off with so that I can add in shadowing later with a darker color, and it kind of just goes all around. I'm pretty sure I'm using a reference picture for this, and so you can go ahead and just look and see based off of the reference picture that you have chosen where the shading should go. I put in a little bit of red for his tongue as well as red for his hat, and I don't know who has a tongue that red in real life. I don't even know if mice have tongues, honestly, but regardless, it's pretty darn red and it looks pretty cool. I go back in, kind of outline the rest of it just to give it that whole cartoony look, and I go in and outline everything at this point while I still have black on my brush. I put black on his pupils here, and I think he's starting to really come together. We do want to make sure that we put black in both eyes and make his nose a little bit bigger as I make that adjustment. Makes him look a lot cuter than he actually is. Now I'm putting a little bit more shading into the side of his hat and adding white little spots of glare in his eyeball. Finish it off with top coat, and that's our finished look. That's how I painted this particular mouse. I hope you guys like it. Make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And if you'd like to see other ones, make sure to check out our previous videos. Hope you guys have a great holiday season and enjoy yourselves. Be safe and be kind.